like there's an election every 4 years. We kind of move just like that. Like we don't put out music just like every other 4 or 5 years. And we might put out music, but it just unfortunately when Missy got sick, it just prolonged the process. But we always was ready. But now I think the timing could be no better. Like I think that everybody is just in a great space in life.
That's definitely great to hear. But are you saying you're not a fan of any of the music that's out right now, Tim?
I can get with the new school, I can get with the old school, but I come from the 90s, and I think that was just the best era. I think it's just not sticky. It's just too much of the same. Everybody loves Blaze Donuts, but if you got a lot of talent, y'all know what y'all tired of hearing, y'all know what y'all tired of playing, and only y'all know what it's time for. Every time I go to the club, there's hype in the stuff. What I can see when I go to clubs and I look at the DJ set.
Are you a fan of any artist that's out right now besides yourself?
You know who I like? That came from both, from the old school and kind of his new at the moment. That's 2 Chainz. He's been doing it for a minute.